Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and I'm station. I got what it takes to say this.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video from your girl. So today I'm going to be installing this dark brown closure wig by AliPearl hair. She is a 5x5 closure and she is long and she is straight and she is so cute. So I'm just going to start off by going ahead and putting it on my head. I do have a wig cap on that I got from Amazon, which I will link in the description box down below. And I do like to go ahead and take a little bit of alcohol and just put it on my skin where I'm going to be applying my wig, just to make sure to get rid of any oil or anything like that, so that this wig can last as long as it can. And to apply my wig today, I'm going to be using my Ebony Wonder Lace adhesive spray, and this is the black one. I just decided to do 2 layers of this today. So the first layer of the spray, I like to let it dry down completely, and then with the second layer, I just go ahead and I place the lace into it, y'all. And this lace is so HD, it's so good, it just looks amazing. She ain't even in the same room as us. Like, that's how non-existent this lace is. It's so thin. So I'm just taking my comb, my metal tail comb, and I'm just pressing the lace down to get it as laid as possible. And y'all, I'm such a heavy advocate for baby hair on wigs. Like, I know a lot of people don't like baby hairs, but I love a good baby hair on a wig. So I decided to do some baby hair, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just pulling some out. I don't like my baby hairs to be too thick. I don't like them to be too long. I like mine to just be right there in the middle. So I just pull out just enough to where I feel like it's not going to be just too overbearing on my forehead. And this is Andy's hot comb, my favorite hot comb. And I'm just hot combing the edges to kind of just separate it a little bit more from the baby hairs. And because I like my edges to be really, really sleek and just neat, I'm going to take some Tresemme hairspray and I'm just going to spray it on this little edge comb, and I'm just going to comb the edges up. Cold as a slash, belly rinse on, sipping a test. Go get it up, must. But go get it up, pussy, no must. Love and I lust. My cool lawyer, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get that shit out there, gun in the mud. Yeah, look at it glitz. See what I mean? Gotta be patient. And inside of the bag, they also included this little edge band. It's like a little Velcro, so I'm just using this to tie my edges up and just so I can melt this lace even further. Then I'm going to take my She Is Bomb, a wax stick. Me and this wax stick done been through it. Okay, we done been through some times together. I've had this wax stick for a year. And I remember when I first initially bought it, I was thinking to myself, why is a wax stick $10? And I understand why. This wax stick has lasted me so long, and I've done so many wigs, and it has literally lasted me for the past like 2 or 3 years. So highly recommend this wax stick. I have not bought another wax stick since I've bought this one. So I'm just using it on each section, and then I'm going over each section with my hot comb, and I'm using my hot comb on the hottest setting. Also, this wig is straight out of the pack. I didn't wash this wig. I didn't bleach the knots on this wig. I didn't pluck this wig. It literally came exactly like this. This wig also comes with an elastic band. So if you do want to do it completely glueless with no sprays, no gels, no nothing, you can do that. I just decided to I still like to add spray for my own little touch. And the spray really just, to me, melts the lace even more. Dropping location, my niggas are dumb. I got an old bitch, can't wait for me to school. She picked up 200, I'm headed to 4. I had 200 for lunch. And this is basically the wig after I take the elastic band off. The lace is completely melted and it looks so good. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my baby hair. So I like to cut my baby hairs with an eyebrow razor rather than using scissors. I just feel like the cut just comes out way better versus when you use scissors. It's a little bit too blunt. However, I do like to go in with scissors a little bit just to cut off like the excess hair that the eyebrow razor didn't cut when I was cutting it. And then I went and used a pencil flat iron and I curled the baby hairs upward just to get them into shape before I mold them. And to mold them, I'm going to use Eco Styler Gel. This is the argan oil one, and some Lotta Body mousse. And honestly, y'all, you do not have to do baby hairs on a wig. Like, this stuff is completely optional. Lately, I've been seeing a lot more people do no baby hair looks, which I think is really, really cute. I still like to go for like a no baby hair look every now and then just to give off like that real, like just a simple look, I guess. So if you cannot get your baby hairs how you want them, don't sweat it. Like, just probably opt to not even do them if it's just not giving you a good time, because it's just really not necessary. But after I finish them, I'm just gonna tie it down with that elastic band again. And this hair already came straight in, but I just wanted to go in and give it like another little bump, get rid of any like crinks that's in it. And I'm using these Babyliss Pro flat irons. These are the best flat irons ever. Like, I don't think I will ever go back to any other flat iron to straighten my hair with. Like, it's so good. It gets very, very hot and it just gets the hair super duper straight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten the rest of the hair. And this hair is just so silky. Mind you, like I said, I didn't wash the hair or anything, condition it, nothing. This is the hair straight out of the pack, and this is what it's giving.
She be looking at me for money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for. She be looking at me for money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for. She be looking at me for money get lost when you chase it. She looking at me for. She be looking at me for. You mean you ain't get no bread? Motherfucking soldiers get paid. If you wanna fly today, don't let want to take your guap away. Just took a ride in the road to my old hood, to my friends. Still piping hoes from like 2010. They heard about my moves, they know I'm the man. Got too much to lose, fucking on these fans. Paid all my dues, plus I never ran. I need all the loot, put it in my hand. Grab your girl cause I'm a fucker. She shows up, I do it like no other, no. Anywhere I wanna go.
So every time I pretty much get straight hair, I like to cut the ends off. I just really like the look of like really full ends. And cutting off the ends just make the hair look a little bit more full, and it just gives it more body also, in my opinion. So I'm just using some scissors and I'm doing a blunt cut, and then I'm just going to go back in and kind of bump the ends and give it a little curl at the bottom. I also like to do a little bit of layering in the hair. So I'm using this cutting comb and I'm just cutting at a slanted angle just a little bit. I'm not cutting a lot off. I'm not really starting up too high, but just a little bit so it just gives it more body.
Validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my best can escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why might have a time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me.
And then I'm going to take this little brown mascara that I use for my eyebrows sometimes. I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. And I'm just using this brush to use it and fill in any spaces where around the part where I just noticed it's a little bit gappy, I guess, just to fill it in.
I can't see, I'm blind.
Next, I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey and this little slanted angle brush. And I'm just going to use this to trace out my part to get it more straight and sleeker. And my last step, I'm going to take this makeup. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the color Coconut. And I'm just going to use this fluffy brush to kind of bounce it on the lace and just get the lace to blend better with my skin tone. So this is the finished look and I think it looks so pretty. I absolutely love this color. Y'all know I'm typically a jet black girl, but this brown eats. Okay, so this wig is by AliPearl and this is their dark brown wig. This is a 5x5 closure wig and it is in 26 inches. And y'all, I don't even gotta say nothing. Do y'all see the flowiness of this hair? Mind you, this wig is straight out of the pack. I did not wash this wig. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I did not pluck this wig. When I say I did absolutely nothing to this wig before I installed it, literally I took it out the box and I put it on my head and it looks this good. Like, be for real. If y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, there will be a link in the description box down below, so make sure you guys go check it out. Again, this is AliPearl hair and this is a 5x5 closure. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can always be notified anytime your girl posts a video. I'll definitely catch you guys in the next one.